Hello students, today we will discuss the poem The Cloud written by the great romantic poet Percy Bysshe Shelley. It is a famous lyric of the poet, and Shelley here personifies the cloud. To personify something means to give an inanimate object human attribution or human qualities. The cloud, in its own persona, tells its own life story, so the poem becomes an autobiography of the cloud. The beauty of the poem lies in the fact that this natural and scientific phenomena has been treated with great imagination and fancy, and it has been raised to the position of an all powerful living entity, where the cloud itself says that I change but I cannot die. Now let's have a look at the text of the poem line by line. I bring fresh showers for the thirsting flowers from the seas and the streams. I here refers to the cloud. The cloud is the speaker, and it says, it is me who brings fresh showers, refreshing rain for the thirsting, for the fading flowers, and I collect that rain from the seas and the streams, from all the water bodies on the earth. Here the poet hints at the natural process, scientific process of water formation and water cycle, the process of evaporation, condensation, and then again the water comes in the form of rain to the earth, and sometimes snowfall and hailstones. Further, the cloud says, I bear light shade for the leaves when laid in their noonday dreams, and it is me who carries light shade. It is me who bring shade over the leaves at noontime when they seem to be asleep and dreaming. So it is when it is cloudy, it is all because the cloud wants it to be. He further says, from my wings are shaken the dews. And in the morning time, when we see water drops on the plants and birds, it is caused by none other than but the cloud. The cloud here takes the credit of all these activities. He says, from my wings are shaken. Here the cloud takes the form of a bird, and he says, from my wings are shaken the dews that waken the sweet birds, and in the morning it is me who by the fall of drops wakes the sweet birds up when they are sleeping, when they were put to sleep, when rocked to rest on their mother's breast, when they were put to sleep throughout the night by their mother, that is Mother Earth, as she dances about the sun. Here the poet points out at the fact of the earth revolving around the sun. Further, the cloud says, I wield the flail of the lashing hell. It is me who operate. I wield the flail, the thresher of the striking hell. If hailstones happen, it is only because of me. It is me who does it, and whiten the green plains under, and which make this phenomena, hailstones make the fields green, make the green fields look white, and then again I dissolve it in rain, and after a while hailstones melt and it converts, it transfer into water, and laugh as I pass in thunder. And the loud sound of thunder is the laughter of the cloud. In these lines, several activities of the cloud and several forms of the cloud have been depicted by the poet. I sift the snow on the mountains below, and their great pines groan aghast. Now the poet describe the process of snowfall. The cloud takes the credit of this phenomena as well, and it says, it is I who spread the snow on the mountains below, and their great pines, and the great pine trees, huge pine trees grown on that mountains, they seem to groan, they seem to cry with fear due to that snowfall. And all the night it is my pillow white, and that mountain top covered with snow serve as the white pillow for the cloud, while I sleep in the arms of the blast, while throughout that night, during that snowfall and storm, I sleep peacefully in the arms of the blast, in the arms of the storm which has been caused by none other than but me. Sublime on the towers of my sky bowers, lightning my pilot sits. Higher on the buildings of my sky bowers, sky resident where the cloud lives, there sits lightning, which is my pilot. Lightning works as a pilot for the cloud. In a cavern under is fettered the thunder, and in a cave under is chained the thunder, and it seems to struggle to get released and howls at fits. It wants to get free, and it struggle, and at intervals it can be heard howling. So here the cloud describes its relationship with another natural phenomena like lightning and thunder. It further says, over earth and ocean with gentle motion this pilot is guiding me. This pilot of mine, that is lightning, takes me over earth and ocean with gentle motion, lured by, and it takes me there attracted by the love of the genie that move in the depths of the purple sea. Lightning is in love with the spirit who dwell in the depths of the ocean, and urged by that love, attracted by that love, lightning flashes. It takes the clouds over the rills and the crags, over the streams, over the rocks and the hills, over the lakes and the plains. Whenever he dream, under mountain or stream, the spirit he love remains. So lightning, who is in love with that genie who loves, who lives in the depths of ocean, so in search of that genie, lightning takes the cloud everywhere, whether it is rivers, or whether they are rivers, lakes, or plains or mountains. And all this time, and all the while, I bask in heaven's blue smile whilst he is dissolving in rains. And all this time, the cloud says it enjoys the warmth of the blue sky. In these lines, some more pictures of nature have been given by the poet. The natural phenomena, several like snowfall and lightning and thunder, they all have been depicted in a fanciful manner.